Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her she won't believe me. It's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know I'd never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are, the way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are, the way you are. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Hey everybody, this is Mead from Boyce Avenue. I hope you guys liked that video. A lot of you requested it on our last vlog, but we actually heard on Facebook and Twitter that some of you haven't been hearing about our latest videos.
That's not acceptable.
So we wanted to show you how to rock it and stay in touch with us on YouTube. Get in there, dude. Look at this cat. So anyway, this is like classic, video page if you go to watch one of our videos. And if you look up here, there's always this subscribe button. A lot of you are probably like, duh. But anyway, if you press this, you can subscribe. And then for those of you that are already subscribed, you have to go to edit your subscription and press email me for new uploads. We're hearing from the fans that that's like the only way to be sure that you can find out about videos, the moment we post them. So let's see. I actually haven't done this yet. Don't tell Alejandro.
You haven't subscribed to our own channel?
So look at that, boom. And then you can also of course go to our channel. You just click here, and this is our channel.
I'm a slamming page.
not biased or anything. And that's it. You can go down here and edit your subscription here, and it does basically the same exact thing I said. Wow, look, it's already got it checked. Anyway, so that's the best way to stay in touch. And thank you guys for watching this video. There's gonna be lots more to come. I love you guys. Thanks.
So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing just the way you are.
Only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. You only know you love her when you let her go.
And you let her go.
Now you stare at the bottom of your glass.